Hi. I interview agents from a lot of different companies every week. And last week, one of the agents asked me, why join La Rosa Realty? So we had a discussion about how we support agents, all of the services that we have from custom websites, transaction coordinators, outstanding training, coaching, single listing websites, social media management. In fact, we probably provide more services and support than a lot of the big box brokerages provide, and we pay 100% commission. But it didn't answer the reason why. So I started thinking about why I joined La Rosa Realty and why I'm with the company. And it really comes down to one thing. It's because they believe in me. They believe in my potential. They believe I deserve to keep the money that I work hard to earn, and they believe in supporting each other. What a lot of people may not know is that many years ago, Joe La Rosa was a police officer. And I think when you have someone who comes from a public service background like that, that culture permeates the whole company. Our foundation is passion, family, and growth. And when you join La Rosa, those aren't just words. You really are treated like family, and everybody's concerned about your success. If you're tired of being just a warm body, and you want to belong to an organization that doesn't look at you for what you are, but sees you for what you want to be, you need to call us.